Hello guys, this is Hasta with WTI, and when you go to work, especially if you work at an office, you want to look formal but also be comfortable. And that's why this backpack by Lenovo makes it easy for you when you go to work and you want to take everything you need without looking informal. This is the 15.6-inch backpack from Lenovo, and I love the fact that its sturdy handle lets you carry your laptop around with no problem. It also has these two front pockets, which are super big, and you can put your chargers or anything that you need quick access to over there. It also has big compartments where you can put your notepads, headphones, anything you need for an office day. Here I put my pens and pencils and anything that I need, like if I need to work out of the house. It also has these straps, which are pretty strong and sturdy. And this strap right here, in case you want to travel and you go on vacation, but you still need to take your office stuff with you, you can just carry it around with the airport luggage. And it also has this invisible pocket, which lets you put your valuables in and not worry about it. I also like that the pockets are expandable, so the backpack itself gets a little bigger for you to put your things in, and it has space for your laptop. And also, the side pockets are expandable, so if your water bottle is a little bigger than expected, you can just put it in. See how cool this backpack is? You guys, it can fit anything you need. No one will know what you have in here, and it will still look formal. I think it goes with any look. It can be either for women or men. Me and my husband use it, both of us, and we're really happy with this backpack. But that's just our point of view.